Hi guys, and welcome to this video tutorial from Dogecoin.com on how to get started with a Dogecoin wallet and how to get some free Dogecoin in addition. I would like to say just before we begin here that if you watch the first tutorial about downloading a Dogecoin wallet and getting it set up, I had pronounced it Dogecoin. And I did that because that's the way I thought it was pronounced. But I found out that the founder of Dogecoin calls it Doge, and therefore I will begin calling it Doge as well. That said, let's take a look at the Dogecoin wallet. This is the main screen of the Dogecoin wallet. It's under the tab Wow, and on the screen you can see your wallet's balance. This only has about 15 Doge at the moment. Nothing is unconfirmed. It also shows you your recent transactions, what has come and gone from your wallet. Please send is pretty self-explanatory. This is what you use to send Dogecoin to people. Now you can see this address in here is kind of gibberish, but it is in fact a Dogecoin address. If somebody requests Dogecoin from you, you will put this address in pay to. You can label it if you like with any sort of label that interests you or any sort of label that is appropriate. And this is of course the amount that you will send. You can change this from full or whole Dogecoins to micro and milli Dogecoin. Your much receive tab is where your addresses are stored. Now I have 3 addresses here. I have a test and a test 2 as well as one that is not labeled. In order to create a new address, you click new address, type in a label. I'll say test 3 and OK. You can now see there is a 3rd test address here. You can have as many addresses as you want, as far as I understand. But when people are paying you to these addresses, they will all go to the same wallet. So you can send this address by right-clicking and copying address, posting that to wherever you need to, or giving it to whoever you need to, so that they can pay you to that address. But no matter which address it is, it will all end up in this wallet that says balance. Many history is the historical transactions that your wallet has received and what is given out. Very contacts, here you can label and store addresses that you use very often. And dig is a mining option, but we'll take a look at that in a later tutorial. Now let's get you some Dogecoin. It's fairly easy to get a little bit of free Dogecoin, but you can't get huge amounts. How you do this is by using what they call a faucet. The first thing I'm going to do is right-click one of these addresses and copy them. I'm going to minimize this here and go to a Dogecoin faucet. There's many Dogecoin faucets out there. I like to use this one. If you go to the website wow.bitcoinproject.net, you'll come to a Dogecoin faucet at the Bitcoin project. If you scroll down just a little bit, you will see a donation address to give to the faucet. You can refill the faucet for them, and I know they appreciate it, so that they can give out Dogecoin to other people. But where your Dogecoin address is marked here, you want to paste in the address that you copied from your wallet. If you have a promo code, you can enter that. That's optional. It usually gives you a little bit more Dogecoin, but you're going to have to type in a CAPTCHA, which is always a pain in the butt, but let's just do this real quickly. Great. Now we're ready to send Dogecoin. So we now have sent Dogecoin, and I've done this once earlier this hour. So it says no more Doge for you. Try again later. But it normally would not say that. It would say that's 1 point something something Doge is on its way to you. Now you can see that I've done this because under my history, it was received. There was 1.337 Doge received to test 2. That was just a couple of minutes ago, just before I started this tutorial. So that's how you send and receive Dogecoin. Hope you found this tutorial interesting and informative. If you did, please like us or subscribe. Take a look at our webpage at www.dogecoining.com. We're going to have a lot more tutorials, a lot more interesting material about Dogecoin. I'm a big fan of the cryptocurrency. I'm sure if you're just beginning, you are starting on a journey that is a lot of fun. Later on, we're also going to be speaking about the communities that are involved in Dogecoin and how interactive, how helpful they are. It's a lot of it's very enjoyable being part of those communities. So I'm looking forward to doing those. But for now, goodbye from dogecoining.com.